In this video, I will be showing you how to make a timer in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva home screen and click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From the list of options, I choose YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editor loads, I collapse the side panel to give myself a clean workspace. Down at the bottom left corner of the screen, I click on the timer option to open the timer widget. By default, the timer starts at 5 minutes. I can easily adjust the duration, so I click the minus button to bring it down to 4 minutes, and click it once more to set the countdown to 3 minutes. To add some background music during the countdown, I click on the music note icon above the timer. A menu with different music genres pops up, such as focus, dramatic, upbeat, energetic, and lo-fi. I select lo-fi to set a relaxing vibe. Next to that, I click the audio icon and adjust the volume slider to get the perfect sound level. Now, I click the purple play button to start the timer, and it begins counting down with a dynamic progress bar around the circle. The great thing is that the timer keeps running in the corner while you freely work on your project. To show you how that works, I open the Elements tab on the left sidebar and place a coffee cup illustration onto the canvas. I adjust its position in the center, click the color swatch at the top toolbar, and use the color picker to customize the shading on the graphic. When I want to manage the countdown, I hover back over to the widget. I can click pause at any moment to halt the clock, or click the reset button to return the timer back to its initial 5 minutes. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a timer in Canva.